Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the battle of Intel versus AMD. These two tech giants have been competing in the processor market for years, constantly pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation. So, let's jump right into the world of Intel and AMD and explore the key differences between them. When it comes to processors, Intel and AMD are two of the most recognized names in the industry. Intel, a giant in the field, has long dominated the market with their powerful and reliable processors. On the other hand, AMD has been gaining ground in recent years, challenging Intel's dominance with their impressive Ryzen processors. One of the key differences between Intel and AMD lies in their approach to processor architecture. Intel has focused on achieving high single-thread performance, making their processors ideal for tasks that heavily rely on single-core performance, such as gaming and certain applications. Intel processors are known for their strong clock speeds and optimized single-thread performance. This makes them a preferred choice for gamers and users who require high-speed computing. On the other hand, AMD processors, particularly the Ryzen series, excel in multi-threaded performance. With higher core counts and simultaneous multi-threading, AMD processors shine in tasks that can leverage multiple threads, such as content creation and heavy multitasking. Another significant difference between Intel and AMD lies in pricing. AMD processors often offer better value for the money, providing competitive performance at a more affordable price point compared to Intel counterparts. This makes them attractive to budget-conscious users and professionals. Power efficiency is also worth considering. In recent years, AMD has made impressive strides in improving power efficiency, reducing energy consumption and heat generation. This is particularly important for users seeking energy-efficient solutions or building systems with strict thermal requirements. It's essential to note that both Intel and AMD produce integrated graphics processors, GPUs, within their CPUs. While these integrated GPUs are suitable for basic graphics tasks, dedicated graphics cards are still preferred by gamers and professionals who require more advanced graphics processing capabilities. Each company also offers specialized processors for different markets. Intel's Xeon processors target high-performance workstations and servers, providing features like ECC memory support and advanced server management capabilities. AMD's EPYC processors, on the other hand, compete in the server market, offering excellent performance and scalability. As we look to the future, both Intel and AMD continue to innovate and develop new technologies. The competition between them drives advancements in processor technology, benefiting consumers with improved performance, energy efficiency, and overall value. Ultimately, the choice between Intel and AMD depends on your specific needs and priorities. Whether you prioritize single-threaded performance, multi-threaded capabilities, or value for your budget, both companies offer compelling options to cater to a wide range of users. That wraps up our Intel versus AMD overview. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the differences between these two processor giants. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.